Hi, in front of me is Realme 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down, choose fingerprint, face and password, go into set lock screen password and wait 5 seconds. Then click continue. Now click on use a different password type and select one of the lock-in methods. I will go with patterns, so I have to click on it, then draw my pattern, repeat it, and over here, if you want to add your fingerprint, you can click add and follow the instructions. But I don't want to, so I will go with cancel. And now when I turn off my screen, and turn it back on, I guess that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!